some serious shit's gonna go down in this video. Grab some popcorn. She's gonna be a long weekend. Welcome to Skylet Industries. It's going to be a long video. Right, we're going to be doing fabricating up the red firewall. Got the sheet metal. About to go into town now to grab all the box section for the bracing. Got a MIG welder for the weekend. I've got a 3-day weekend, so going to be trying filming as much as I can. It's going to be a long one. Car meet tomorrow night. Might film a bit of that and see what the Palmy car scene is like. So yeah, we're going to go for a trip into town, grab some box section, I need a headlight for the live-in, go to McDonald Equipment in Palmerston North. It's going to grab some cutting discs, some bolts, nuts, and I'm sick, which makes it so much better. So right, let's get driving and yeah. Oh yeah, and in this video you're going to see welding. I'm no way a professional welder. I've touched like a MIG welder twice. I'm more better with TIG, but MIG was all I could grab my hands on. So we're going to try and give that a go. So I'm going to be cutting a lot of bits out of this video when I start welding, so you don't see my fucking fails. So let's go do this, and yeah, let's go. Just waiting for the box section. See if we can fit in this. This is how you do it when you own a 2-door. Fuck yeah. Going to Trade Zone McDonald Equipment in Palmerston North to grab a few cutting discs, and might get a wire brush and a few other things. Make sure you go to them for your engineering supplies. They're pretty cool. Right. See ya. And we are back. MIG welder, cardboard. Got all the gloves, welding, helmet, pre-weld. A box section, 2 meters, 8 meter lengths. Oh, sorry, 2 meter lengths, 4 of them, 8 meters. Big sheet. Got wire brush, some cutting discs, a level. Just gonna clean all the inside out, get ready. Smash the window, so it makes it a lot easier. But no, I'm not going to film me cleaning all up, because nobody really wants to see that. But it should be a good time, and I'll get back to you guys when I start the measuring. Here comes a long fucking weekend. So spent the last half an hour just getting used to grinding again. It's off cut. Hang on, just grab a torch because it's quite dark back there. So just figuring out where I want to place it. This is just the bracing. Pretty hefty bracing if you say so myself. Just trying to get it all level properly. I don't know what else I'm going to do. I'm obviously going to run the sheet behind it on this side. But all this has to be solid, because the fuel tank is going to be going in there. So I have no idea. I think I might wait for Cody to come around and help me tomorrow just to get it all level properly. But yeah, fuck. She's going to stiffen up the chassis a bit as well. Actually no, because it's on the side, so it's not that structural. But yeah, it's stage 1. Just going to use the grinding and welding again. And hopefully by Sunday, all of this is covered in. If not, the gas tank won't be going in then. Alright, so that's the end of day 1. So let's bring on tomorrow.
Day 2.
Welcome to day 2. Wow. This morning we just started off doing that. Just put a light up so we can still see in here without my stupid little bright head. We're going to do some welding today, some grinding, some metaling. Metaling.
That's metaling, kids.
Doing a few measuring for that fuel tank right there.
Mr. Shiny.
Mr. Shiny, we're calling him Mr. Shiny. For the memes. Right, so we're going to carry on with what we carried on yesterday.
This is Dolby, the Subway eating fucking cat. Not nice.
That's all our steel. Right, let's go going. Do some grinding, some measuring, some fapping. Yes. Update. Turns out me and Cody are really shit at welding.
It's been a few years.
It's been a few years. That's mine. It's Cody's. My bead.
Trying to get it working, eh?
Yeah, it's trying to get all the settings right, but she's tacked in. Sort of tacked in. We've got my mate Liam coming out. Looks like bird shit. He's coming out. He's a professional welder, so he can give us some tips and will do it for us. And, yeah, hey Liam, hey. Where am I? On the Snapchat?
Oh my mate.
Oh mate. Show us the Instagram. Show us our Skylet Instagram. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, guys.
Oh, bye, Mac Miller.
Oh, Mac Miller deed.
Hello. Hello.
Show us the Instagram, mate.
Yeah.
That's our Instagram. Make sure you give us a follow. We upload some weird shit.
Understand how it's nice and
Oh,
firm on
Jesus.
that bent sill? Yeah. I've been under here doing the gearbox about 20 minutes. And shouldn't be doing that while I'm under it, eh? Have arms if you're gonna pull up.
So yeah, give us a follow. Like our Facebook page as well. And you'll see more of our shitty welds. Why is this not focusing? There we go. Bird shit. We have Liam doing the welding for us. Cheeky snake.
What?
Nothing?
Nothing. You're really looking the fucking awesome. She's steaming.
Steaming. Everyone's gone home. So everyone's gone home. All the welds are done. Yep. I don't know what else I can really do. I might try and give something and go tomorrow. Yeah, that's done. Want to try and cut up all the sheet metal for it, but just don't know how. So I might wait till I got some more help. Still tossing and turning whether I should decide to street or track this, so any help would be appreciated. Still don't know how I'm going to mount up the fuel tank into it. That's a piece of sheet right there. I'm trying to measure it all out, but I couldn't get it. But yeah, got the car meet tonight, Untitled Spring meet. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Should have really gotten a smaller box section, but it is what it is. Yeah, need to tidy up the welds. I need to grind them back a bit. But Liam did a good job. Not bad for his first time on gasless MIG. He's usually used to gas MIG. Yeah, it's not bad. Right, time to get myself ready and go to this car meet. Here on our way to the Untitlement with Cody, the pizza boy.
Streets closed, pizza boy. Find another way home.
And his gears.
And his sloppy gear changes. At least he's got a fucking clutch.
Hey, not much of one.
Yeah, my living's kind of fucked. It's struggling to get into gears. But anyway, we're off to the plaza car park for the Untitled car meet. I'll try and get as much footage as I can. I've got a few people that don't like me there, so we're probably... Hey look, it's Vinny! This guy owns a mental R35.
Against 1200 horsepower GTR and the stock 180.
And that's his evil VF. What's that like? How many horsepower is that?
800.
Is it 800? It's a fucking
supercharged,
beast.
isn't it?
Yeah, isn't it a centrifugal?
No. It's not top.
Roman's bike, my rig rat.
Is there actually room left?
I told him to stand in the park and act like a car.
We got Rubino acting as a car for us to save us the park. Anyway, we see you guys there.
Come on, Vinny.
By the way,
That's great.
you need to like hold your exhaust up with something.
Look, this guy.
Please. The whole time I do you.
Intervola.
If it's at the fly, you lose about 20% of it.
One day this thing might see traction, but not today.
This is 196 kilowatt of the
200 kilowatt.
One day you'll be there. For a 1.8 litre.
Yes.
Yeah, just
Yes.
You'll never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? The price of your greed is your son and your daughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? Look me in my eyes, tell me everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run